How to install your fonts into Photoshop. Open your desired browser and search for the font you would like to add. You can search by the name of the font or go to font site and browse through for any that catches your eye. Download the font and go to your File Explorer. If file is in a zip file, extract it then install. Otherwise, simply right-click and select Install from the drop-down menu. Then go back to Photoshop and wait for a while. Then search the font menu and you'll find it installed.